Hey Marla.
What?
Hey Marla.
What? Okay, so it's the weird noises segment. Don't get so close to my face.
I'm not.
Alright, so yeah, this is the weird noises segment. We're in a kind of secluded and not very full up party mall, as you can see.
It's pretty dead today.
Pretty dead today, pretty.
Because it's Tuesday.
And yeah. Yeah, so that's weird noise number 1.
Oh.
That's weird noise number 2. I didn't actually make that noise, but I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my god, stop. You're so weird. You are so weird.
Okay. What the fuck? I'm gonna cut in 1 second. There's been so many super delicious guys today, but that one, no, that Hot Topic guy. He's gonna find these one day and be like, this girl's fucking crazy. But if you see these, I want to reinforce from my last video, you're super delicious.
Definitely super delicious.
See, even two things.
Does my makeup look good? How does it look?
It looks good. You look
Yeah?
good.
I'm broken out a little bit and it's pissing me off. And my face looks fat and I look gross because my hair's all messed.
And you don't have your hat on.
And I don't have my hat on.
Make a noise.
No. Ugh. That's definitely the weirdest noise I can make. And you know what? Actually, you YouTube viewers, if we can get some of you to make your own weird noises on videos
send them in to me.
Send them into
Make video replies.
Yeah, there you go. Make some weird noises for us. And yeah, we would love to hear them, you know.
We would love to hear your weird noises.
Maybe we can invite you to make a weird noises segment with us. Definitely.
Oh.
That is super gross. I need to go over here. Don't look at me.
Stop hiding. Stop running away. Stop it. Stop.
I feel like I'm gonna fall off. Tell them where we are. Where we are.
Oh. This is the Sawgrass Mills Mall, Sunrise, Florida. And that was very specific. Oh my god.
You need to not be so.
And this is the Oasis. Okay.
Yeah, and that's a movie theater.
And that's put action.
Action of the feet.